Good afternoon. Welcome to Live at 4. We begin with breaking news. A Dane County judge has struck down parts of Act 10, restoring collective bargaining rights to some public sector employees.
The 2011 legislation was signed into law by then Governor Scott Walker and led to massive protests at the state capitol. Political reporter Will Keneally joins us now with what led to the judge's decision. Will?
Well, that's right. We are taking a look at this decision, which came out just a few hours ago. Now, the judge took issue with how these lines were drawn, separating different unions, public sector unions, public safety unions that were protected under this law compared to everybody else that were affected by this law. Now, the judge said that there's not a rational basis, issuing an initial decision in July saying that that can't be the case. You can't draw those lines under the U.S. and state constitution. Now, he had that initial decision in July. He issued that final decision today, striking down parts of the law. Now, he issued in some rather strong language here, saying that he does have the right to strike down the entire law under this case here. And this will certainly be something that we will see appealed going forward up to the state Supreme Court. Again, right now the state Supreme Court is 4-3 majority for the Liberals. So we are likely to see this case upheld, but again, we don't know. And this will also certainly impact the upcoming Supreme Court race next spring. Now we'll have more on what this means for Wisconsin workers coming up later this evening on News 3 Now at both 5 and 6.
Thank you, Will. And we do have a statement from Republican Assembly Speaker Robin Vos. It reads in part, the lawsuit came more than a decade after Act 10 became law and after many courts rejected the same meritless legal challenges. We look forward to presenting our arguments on appeal.